today we're doing the the AR only challenge. And I'm playing with my friend Zach. Well, he's having a play date with me, so he's playing as my crappy brother skin.
So I'm a default and
yeah, my brother's crap.
Not default.
Yes.
So we're guys,
my skin's cooler than his.
Guys, like and subscribe.
No!
Please.
I'm dead. I'm freaking dead. I'm freaking dead. Dude, we need to find an AR, Zach, remember. We could only have an AR.
I got.
Alright, enforce AR. That'll work. That'll work.
Enforce. Okay.
Alright, you got enforce? No, that's an SMG. We're not allowed to use that.
Yeah.
No! No.
Okay. Oh, come on. My God. People are coming backwards. Dude,
No.
Your brothers are so...
Hit, just... No, it's a shotgun. Come to me. I have an AR. Come on, I'm going towards you. Come to me, okay? Alright, you have a green AR. Just revive me. Come on, I'm gonna die.
Shockwaving.
Don't shockwave. I'm literally like, see? Now you're all the way down there. See?
It's alright.
Don't shockwave. Hurry up, I'm dead. Yep, and I'm dead. Now you have to reboot me.
I have to get out of here.
Yeah, we're not fighting the boss.
Okay.
Just
We're
get
going
those
to the other
ghost
one.
bombs. Run, bro.
Dude, it won't.
Go to our reboot. No, go to, you're there. Go to this one.
Where? Okay. No, that's close to the medal. They're gonna chase me.
No, it is not.
Let's go to the Dallas. They're so close to the reboot.
No, they are not. They're literally right there.
Yes, they are. And get out of the screen.
Oh. Bruh.
Did you forget?
Run! It's a slurp lake.
Ah, come on.
Oh my gosh. There's no reboot van here, I'm telling you.
Let's just look so I can get a better...
A pistol counts as an SMG too.
Who cares?
No, it's a pistol actually.
Told you I wanted this. What happened?
Oh my gosh. Just reboot me.
Let me just get this chest and I'll reboot. Oh my God, I can't find it.
It's...
Hey, you can't blame me.
I died because...
Me?
No, not because of you, but like, there's this kid chasing me. And you're just like, I'm clutching up for you when you're not in a fight.
I don't want to die. Should I go to Zeus?
Yes, but his reboot...
Dude.
His reboot van is somewhere near it.
I'm boosting.
Here's the thing though. When I first start getting, when I get a reboot, it's a pistol. That's the problem.
Yeah, 2 guns.
So I have to search Mount Olympus for guns.
You have 2 guns. Do I clutch this whole game up?
You did not clutch.
I didn't kill anyone, but I got a reboot card.
Exactly. Because nobody was near the reboot card.
Let's go.
Don't look in the camera. Alright, guys.
Here, take one of mine.
You have to drop it.
I am.
I have to drop my pistol.
Dude, I have to press B to edit. Should we challenge Zeus?
What?
Shotgun, no, I wish I can take it, but we
Wait,
can't.
you could challenge Zeus.
Yeah.
Hey, no, you can't.
Only if you get the, only if there's,
I call this.
no,
That's an AR. That's technically an AR.
I'm not taking that. Give me that,
Oh, bet. I got a free AR. And I have 2 ARs. Alright, let's challenge Zeus then. But we won't even get his mythic. There's no point.
we will, but not with that one.
No, but...
Oh
we're
no, that was,
We're doing AR only, remember?
yeah.
Let me
Why we
eat some
can't
nice
just-
food.
Oh yeah, this is not,
That's not Zeus. Bet,
No, I wish I could take the shotgun.
dead. Dude.
And that shock. Do magic. I'm at 101 HP. Give me that. Can I take the pistol?
No, that's not AR. Tactical assault rifles are.
Oh my god.
Because it's literally called an assault rifle.
Medkit? Imagine if you need a medkit. Blue one! And so, let's go.
I got a boogie bomb.
Let's go, guys. Oh, I have 4.
You have 4, I'll give you these.
And I was 6. Finally, I'm stacked. Where? Oh, I forgot where I am. Shy. Siska! Uh-oh.
Alright.
Uh-oh. Oh. It's okay, I make it.
Hold on. Guys, this is a really tough challenge.
Alright, yeah. Got.
Like literally. We
Do
want
not-
shotguns.
Do not do this
if you're
if you
a
fir-
noob. If you're a noob.
well, they're not noob. And if we call them a noob. No, please said this was Zeus.
No.
I can buy a purple.
You can't. There's no point.
Guys, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna be at full health.
Dude.
And you guys need mats if we're playing build. And if it was ranked, that would have been awesome.
No, because we don't have any shotguns. We don't really need them. And we can spray at people.
This has to have AR. Even minis. Okay, I got 3 minis. Wait for me. Imagine if I boogie my mind.
Dude, why do you take so slow?
Wow!
You're not even going the right direction.
Yes, I am. To you, yes. I wish I had my shockwave. Oh, this aim's so good. This aim's not the... Guys, what do you think? The little dot aim or this arm?
I don't like the dot aim.
Yeah, the dot aim's so good, but this aim's the second best.
No, I don't.
Shy dance. You have to do this. Let's go. We have to get a gun so I can shoot them. Oh! Gucci dance. Okay, here, I'll show you 2 minutes.
That's a team.
That's
Oh, kids. They're up there. Shoot them.
dead. He's dead. Killed him. Ah! I was gonna try to take that. I'm gonna trade these for minis. Actually, I have 2.
Zach, get
What?
in.
Let me get the minis. I accidentally do that. I got my own car. That sucks. And the boost sucks. I got better boost than all of you guys.
Oh my god.
No way. Oh my god, we're going fire.
Oh, swimmer. Somebody's swimming.
Where? Who's our...
Dead. No, I so close to death.
Did he almost... Dude, here, I have a med kit. Take that. Oh, no, you're not taking my med kit. Have 1, 2. There you go.
You know this water heals you?
Big pot. We have to use all of it. I like to use all of it.
Yeah, so nobody else can use.
The minis. Oh my god, my loot's stacked. Come on, knock my car over.
Oh, there's a car on us. Help! There's a car! There's a freaking car.
Is it McDowell?
No, it's not a Medal car. Now I don't have any tire. Shoot the car. Oh, he's out of his car. Help!
Away. I really need healing. Guys,
Ooh, better.
does
Blue
this heal?
AR.
This does not heal.
Yes, it does. It takes a long time.
Oh, it just got me 1. Okay. What does it go at?
It goes up to 100. 200, actually.
Wait, what?
It does shield and, alright.
Wait, I have to get some max. It won't let me get my... Finally, it healed me. Let's go. Okay. I'm at full health. Almost. Please say... Let's go! Seal. I'm not gonna waste it. Five, 4, 3, 2.
This is a
One.
really tough
Let's go.
check.
Here.
I don't think this is gonna fit 15 minutes, but
Yeah.
we have to go fast. Come on, we have to kill a ton of kids.
Come on.
No maps, okay? This is why our video is gonna... I freaking hate this gun. I freaking hate this type of AR. Its Spitfire is so low. There, knocked. Oh, kid. I see. He shot me. Revive me. This is our best game yet. You are dead.
What? He's behind me?
We suck. Bye.
Yeah.